Pharmaceutical companies say it is possible we may get a COVID-19 vaccine by the end of this year. Today, the Trump administration made a deal with Pfizer and a smaller German biotechnology company called BioNTech for up to 600 million doses of the potential vaccine. The vaccine they're promising is still in trials, though. If it proves safe and effective and gets approved by the Food and Drug Administration, the companies say they could make the first 100 million doses by December. Today, Atia Collins spoke to leaders of the vaccine trial that's happening here in Rochester, and she joins us now from the University of Rochester Medical Center. Atia, what does this order mean? Are these the same trials?
Well, Maureen, what this really means is that we'll have different sources for various variations of the trial. Now, the U.S. government, with this new agreement with Pfizer and BioNTech, will get their vaccine once that is safely approved and tested. But they're hoping that this is just another addition to the testing that is already going on here in the States through Operation Warp Speed. Phase 3 testing for safety and efficacy of potential COVID-19 vaccines at the University of Rochester Medical Center and Rochester Regional Health are gearing up to start in the next month.
We have been working with Pfizer. We initially did the phase 1 study, and that data has been published, and it's looking very encouraging. And so that is rapidly moving into phase 2 and 3.
The two main sources for a potential vaccine, government-funded Operation Warp Speed and independent pharmaceutical companies Pfizer and BioNTech. Both are making progress, and the U.S. government has placed an order for 600 million doses of the vaccine from Pfizer and BioNTech, but when the vaccines will be ready is still a question.
It's very unpredictable because I think there's a lot of speed, and we hope and we plan, and then things get delayed. So Pfizer is coming along very quickly, and it may be sooner than October that they're doing their phase 3.
In a press release, Pfizer says they're on track for phase 2 and 3 trials to start in August, and they hope to manufacture globally by the end of the year once vaccines are approved. But volunteers are needed to make that happen, and here in Rochester, the last study before approval is about to begin.
So we really need people that are out on the front lines that could be exposed to the virus we'd love to have them volunteer for the phase 3 studies.
Now, many of the health requirements that were needed for the earlier studies are now gone, and researchers are looking for 1,000 people, particularly people of color who work in essential services, to help push this vaccine forward. Reporting from Rochester, Atia Collins, News 8.